Ryan héna an arót le Corcaigh agus an gléas na seolta coc hurling na neathis bant going fort láige. Nu le bantáiste bailach an arót le Uíbh Fhailí Corcaigh go Clí. Bhí Gary McDonagh agus Pat Fleury sa talafort an cheann seo.
Slú bug galore bailíisteach an seo sa talachmhór a chéad asúil go mbeidh. Clifa go maith. Agus tá sí buinte san angacha Gallan Connolly. Cúil eile go Corcaigh, cúil eile do Allan Connolly. An chéad scór gan Sraith na bliana fiche clár ag Dara Fitzgibbon. Connolly thór cúil agus tá sé buinte, tá sí chúil fáilte ag Allan Connolly. Brewer agus sin an chéad scór an immer sa darna le fáilte ag Uíbh Fhailí.
First thing we'll take was that we played for 70 minutes. I think we scored 2-12 in the first half and then kind of 3-16 in the second half. So delighted the lads drove on and the lads that come off the bench gave us a big impact. We have a very strong panel. We just need to get fellas back into it and look, in fairness, the league was tough at the start of the year for us. We had two really tough games in a difficult period during Fitzgibbon, but we feel that we're coming right at the right time and we've 6 weeks to championship and we are driving on for that.
I think we're 6 weeks out now, so we'll just keep on building. Like today, it was just about getting a result and getting another win in the league, and we'll build out towards Wexford on Saturday, and we'll see then.